when using the resource updating manager in QMM AD, we can use collections, we can add computers, we can process them, but there are also categories. Using those categories we can see all processed computers, completed, failed, in progress, pending. We can sort them by servers or workstations. Those are predefined categories, but we can create our own categories. We can specify a name and a description. In this case, I want to see all computers which have the agent installed, so I can clean up them. I don't have to go and create a collection. I can just query my existing database and find all computers which have the agents installed. I can create another category, for example, all computers which need to be discovered. We type the name, we make a typo, and we configure this category. Agent status is not installed, and we save this category. And once we have created the category, we can anytime go and change the description and rename it. We will fix the typo, and you can see on the right side the tool already found the information about all the non-discovered computers or computers which don't have an agent installed. So what is a category and how does it work? Let's create another category and we will have a look. I want to find all my computers which had some warnings. So the condition in this case would be computer status had a warning. And once we create this query and add it, we can go and check what it does. As you can see, it's simply querying the ADAM database, the status in the ADAM database. So we can safely say that our categories are simple LDAP searches or filters or queries which do query the ADAM database. Using those categories, we can create different queries. And the good part is, once a category has been created, it is flexible. It works like an LDAP filter, and then we can create tasks and work with those categories instead of creating collections. I'm going to create a discovery task for all my computers which need to be discovered, which are missing the agent, and I can start this task. This task will run now for absolutely all computers which don't have an agent installed for whatever reason. I can go and create another task when this task is working, or I can just copy the task instead of creating a new one. I will copy and save this task. I will not execute this task. I can execute it anytime later, before I go home or tomorrow or next week. And in the meantime, our first task is already done, finished. So the good part about the category is that we can safely remove our computers from collections, and later we can simply go and find them and work with them again.